Alrighty, we got a IHI 35NX spanner mini excavator. Jesse's gonna show you that all the bells and whistles here work. Got idles up. All works. The backhoe. It's like about a 14 to 16 inch bucket on there. 35NX spanner. As you can see, works. Comes with 2 extra buckets. Get you the sizes on them here at the end of the video. Just can you run to the van and grab a tape and check the size of those buckets real quick for me? Your engine. So you got a 3-cylinder diesel. Shoulder says that backhoe bucket's 15-inch. 15-inch. Jesse?
We got 11-inch right here.
This one's an 11-inch here.
And this one here is a grading bucket, 22-inch.
22-incher grading bucket with no teeth on it. See, no teeth there. Thank you, Jesse. Let me get in here and see if I can get this hour meter for you. Here's your hour meter. 6791. 2/10. So your controls. This front windshield is here. It's just slid up into the top here. We will go ahead and slide that back down for you so you can see. The bottom seems to be gone, but the top of it is there. Okay, there we go. There you go. Got the front windshield in there. Bottom still is open. Not sure where that piece is, but that locks in there. Got the sliding cab door. There she is, folks.